Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to this another video. And for today's video guys, tara samahan nyo kami at ipapasyal namin kayo dito sa Disney Springs. And alam nyo ba guys, na free admission dito, so ibig sabihin hindi natin kailangan ng ticket. So we can still enjoy our moments with our families, with our kiddos, and with our loved ones. So yun nga guys, kung tight ang budget mo but still you wanted to relax, to enjoy, to unwind, this is the perfect place to be. At ayun nga guys, dahil hindi ko na rin talaga alam yung sasabihin ko, so enjoy the rest of the video clips guys. Enjoy watching!
Florida!
Florida!
This is Florida!
Dahil
Lots of
lahat ay
lots of snakes and alligators, crocodiles,
and
crows.
mais pero
And
masaya.
squirrel.
Sa Amerika. So ano ba yung nagustuhan niyo dito po?
Maganda po siya. Si Mickey Mouse po yung pinuntahan ko dito. Kasi
Si Mickey
papauto
Mouse?
ko sana ako
Ano po yung apelido ni Mickey Mouse?
Mouse.
Mouse. Okay,
Yes.
spell mo. Charot.
Basta M-I. Diyos.
Wala nang sasalita.
Jessica Soho. Hindi pwede pumasok kasi. Okay.
Sorry, nabe-pressure. Baka mahulog.
Maganda niya. Bibili ka ng ice crusher.
Uy, wag matulog sa ta.
You can have halo-halo and it's very, very, very Pinoy.
Ninoy Advanced USRM.
Advanced CSR because of course alagang alagang tayo na Doc Claire at saka Consar, our CEO, Doc Ferdinand Labo. Very family-oriented and of course they treat everyone as a family.
Iyak na yan.
Ano bang mga advice mo sa mga nurses na naghihintay ng... Yung mga nurses na naghihintay ng ganda?
Naghihintay na just be patient kasi I believe na in God's perfect time makakarating din kayo dito. And may purpose lahat yan. Hindi seryoso bigla.
And there you have it guys. Thank you for watching. Till our next ganap. Bye bye.